Bullish swipe cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.11 and $2.42 by 2030. Market examiners accept SXP could reach $1.11 by 2025. Bearish swipe market cost expectation for 2022 is 19 cents. Swipe presentation. The cryptographic money market has become very serious yet has developed enormously as additional establishments take on the utilization of advanced monetary standards in their everyday business and speculations. SXP has serious areas of strength for yet it is viewed as an unpredictable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their property to a more steady cash. Notwithstanding, SXP means to be a completely decentralized resource after its obtaining by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. Be that as it may, in this piece, we assess the conceivable outcomes of Swipe recovering its forward movement before long by investigating the center basics of the task, late turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on SXP cost gauges from digital currency specialists. What is Swipe? Swipe or Sunlight-based organization is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make an environment where organizations or people can produce charge cards supported by digital money and encourage a simple installment experience. Swipe is worked to go about as a scaffold between installment organizations and crypto trades. They plan to empower genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area interest and use the designated verification of stake agreement component to keep a proficient and successful blockchain convention with many elements. This made the convention special and unique in relation to the next blockchain's undertakings as it keeps turning on current innovation. The Swipe network awards clients a profoundly solid structure to get to near 150 digital forms of money in north of 70 million locales as a mode of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention. The SXP token is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain and off-chain installments, and so forth. The symbolic aids in taking special care of handling and exchange charges, a method for deciding on the convention for updates and administration, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Savvy chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue expenses. One of the remarkable elements of Swipe is the novel programming interface and lock highlight that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone to quickly work the client obtains another card. Sun-oriented organization was procured by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its component to help the change of NFTs, advanced resources, and digital currencies to fiat at a cutting-edge transformation rate. Swipe Essential Examination. Sun-based organization was established in 2018 by Joselito Lizarrando, going about as the president, and Nahum Willems, who is presently the central specialized official. The establishing group is very much knowledgeable about the improvement of blockchain innovation, business venture in the monetary area, and the development of a functioning local area, which they applied in forming Swipe into an elite specialized item. Swipe current cost. Swipe is right now worth 24 cents USD. SXP has moved 1.27% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,192,110. Swipe is right now positioned 160 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $125,401,477 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Swipe market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Swipe Value Forecast 2022. Swipe, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SXP cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 37 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 34 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SXP is supposed to have a base worth of 29 cents. Swipe Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Swipe SXP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SXP will before long outperform 61 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the SXP's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SXP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 49 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 54 cents. Swipe Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 86 cents and SXP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 79 cents and a low of 74 cents in 2024. Swipe Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Swipe effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the SXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SXP will be green in 2025. The SXP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.11, with a base cost of 98 cents and a typical cost of $1.04. Swipe Value Forecast 2026. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the SXP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.29 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.24 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SXP has a greatest value worth of $1.36. Swipe Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.53. In the event that SXP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $1.61. Neglecting to assemble the help SXP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.48. Swipe Value Expectation 2028. While SXP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.73 and a yearly cost close above $1.86 in 2028. Swipe Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Swipe will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.98 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.10, averaging out at $2.03. Swipe Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme SXP cost in 2030 is projected to be $2.42 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.33. And, starting from the making of Swipe, it has been supported by numerous ventures due to its flexible utility, and the engineers keep elevating the cache to fabricate a wide organization in the computerized universe of installment. Nonetheless, the potential financial backer is encouraged to be refreshed about the advancements on the organization as they do all necessary investigation prior to money management. What is the Swipe cost today? Today, Swipe is exchanging at 24 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $125,401,477. Is Swipe a wise speculation? Swipe ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that SXP